Hi, this is Umair from Tutorials Hub, and in this video we will be discussing how to synchronize nodes between Obsidian Mobile and your PC. So Obsidian has created a new folder inside your iCloud Drive. To open iCloud Drive folder as a vault on your computer, you need to follow these steps, or if you are simply looking for on your computer, you're going to be opening Obsidian at the right of the open folder as vault. You're going to be basically doing that, then select open, navigate to iCloud Drive. Basically this could be achieved from a cell phone device as well, and then to Obsidian, select the folder with the name vault you want to sync with. Now basically this is the pretty much step for this we have yet now, and this is, as you can see, for iPhone and iPad. So make sure that the tip is ensure that you disable optimize Mac storage and iCloud Drive settings before synchronizing your Obsidian Vault using iCloud Drive on Mac OS. Failing to disable this feature could cause iCloud Drive to offload your files, rendering them unusable by Obsidian and potentially leading unexpected behavior. So that should be kept in mind. I hope this helped, and if it did, make sure to support this channel by the link in the description. And for more videos like these, make sure to head over to Tutorials Hub. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, goodbye.